In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find Slack Workspace Analytics data. So if you want to see any analytics data, maybe for any member or all members, or even a channel or overall Workspace Analytics data, it is pretty much simple. You can retrieve this information. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Slack Workspace and then head over to this Slack Workspace account name here and then click on this drop down arrow. From this, look for tools and settings, and under it go ahead and click on Workspace Analytics data, or you can come here under settings and then click on Workspace settings. Now this will go ahead and open a new page, and from this you will be able to see analytics from this sidebar. Now if you click on analytics, here you'll be able to see analytics overview, and you can see here quite a number of data such as total members that you have, where conversions happened, and who is uploading files, just to mention but a few. You can also go ahead and view channel analytics data, and this will go ahead and list all the channels that you have on your Slack Workspace, and here you'll be able to see analytics data for total number of membership. You'll also be able to see analytics data for messages posted on each channel, as well as members who posted and members who viewed on each channel. Under membership, you'll also be able to see members data, for instance, the activities for each members, such as days active, as well as messages posted by each member. Should you want to export this, you can download it using this export option. So that's how you can find or view Slack Workspace Analytics data. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.